Hi guys and welcome to SK on Ride. Today we are riding towards Alibag from Mumbai and we have some unwanted rains with us. But never mind, we are always ride ready. And that's what we always say. The rider is ready and the ride is ready and we all are set to ride. So going towards Alibag, you can see the road conditions. The roads are filled with mud and that's all because the roads are been under construction and because of the rains it has become very much muddy as well. It has become very slippery guys, so please ride safe. If you get some unwanted rains like this, always see to it that whenever you are riding you are wearing your helmet, and make sure your helmet is having a good visor which gives you a good clarity of the road and the view. Whenever you're riding in this type of rains, don't try to do unnecessary overtaking. Always use the left lane while riding. If you have parking or hazard lights, what we say, it's always good if you have installed it in your bike. If you are a rider, I'll be coming up with some more videos for amateur riders as well, which I feel it would be useful for them. As if you are having safety gears while riding, even that's a good option. If you don't have, see to it that you guys are riding safe. So from the muddy roads, now it's time for some good roads. Over here you can see, but still the roads are wet. As you can see, they have been clearing and it's drizzling a bit now. So again, I have to maintain a speed of 60, not beyond that. Due to this rains, we were not able to capture a good video of the ride today, and I apologize for that to all my viewers and subscribers. I would be coming with some good quality videos as well. And guys, always remember, whenever you are riding, please ride safe. It's not a ride which we do for show off, but riding should be for relaxation. You should always have a present mind while riding. You should be physically as well as mentally fit when you want to ride for long hours. So guys, keep riding, ride hard and ride safe, and I'll be coming up with some more videos. And thank you so much guys, ride safe.